Welcome back, guys. In this session, I'm going to show you how we can create this particular number pattern. Okay, so first we are going to identify how many rows you have and how many columns you have. So I have rows which I'm going to represent by I. So I'm going to write here a for loop for I which starts from 1 and it should be less than or equal to 5 I plus plus. So inside each I loop there is going to be a j loop for columns, so which will start from 1 till 9. So I'm going to say j, we should start from 1, j should be less than or equal to 9 and j plus plus. Okay, so I have come up with this equation for the j condition, saying that if this condition satisfies, then only we are going to print some number or star or whatever it is, or else it is going to come to the else block and it is going to print these white spaces. Okay, so that condition is j greater than or equal to 6 minus I and j less than or equal to 4 plus I. Okay, in that case we have to print this particular number. So since the number is starting from 1, okay, what I will do here, I'll initialize a value integer num is equal to 1 semicolon. Okay, and as soon as we have printed, okay, in the first row, when the line changes, means when second row starts, this particular number 1 becomes 3. Okay, it starts from 3. So what I will do here is, see, this is the line changing code, guys. System.out.println. Okay, so every time the j loop ends here, this code will make it come to the next line. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to say number is equal to num plus 2. Okay, so this num equal to 1, here it will become 3. Okay, as soon as the line changes. Okay, see, again when the line changes, this num all will become 5, which is what I want to see in the next line, that is when I becomes 3, and when I becomes 4, that number is going to get changed to 7. Okay, and similarly when I equal to 5, we are going to see that number has been changed to 9. Okay, now that particular number, okay, inside the j loop, okay, it starts decrementing itself inside the j loop. Okay, as soon as we print here, okay, we have to give the decrementation. For that, what I'm going to do is, as soon as I start my program, for loop starts, I will copy this number into another variable integer k equal to num, like this. Okay, so whatever value of num is, so at the starting it is 1, so that will get copied into k, and inside this if condition I'm going to say print that value of k, not the value of that particular number. Okay, and once you have printed that value k, here inside that j loop itself, okay, start decrementing k minus minus, like this. Okay, so k will be 3, it will become 2, and it will become 1. Okay, and when the line changes, okay, see, this is the line changing code. When the line changes, that number gets incremented to 2. Okay, and sorry, the number gets incremented to 3, and that is what will get copied into this value k. So this is the entire code how you are going to solve this particular program. Okay, so let me just change this to lower cases and here. So let me just save this. Okay, so now let's come here and first we'll initialize that particular value of number which starts from 1. So here I will say integer num is equal to 1. Okay, and as soon as the program starts from the I loop, I'm going to copy that into a variable integer k equal to num, like this. Okay, and here if condition satisfies, we have to print that particular number, and as soon as we have printed that number, here I'm going to say k minus minus. Okay, or else it is going to print space, like this. And when the line is getting changed, okay, when the line changes, here I'm going to say whatever number we have took at the top, you should increase that number by 2. Okay, num equal to num plus 2, and here give semicolon, and let's save the program and let's run it once. Okay, See guys, like this you are going to get the pattern which we wanted. Okay, so in the first line it is going to print 1. Okay, then this number gets changed to 3, means it is incrementing itself by 2 numbers, like this. Okay, so this is how your pattern is going to get printed. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video guys. I'll see you in the next pattern program.